Consider one more example of minimization of tables from an ER diagram. Here we can see that uh, there are four entities A, B, C, and D, and there are five relationships R1, R2, R3, R4, and R5. So, what are the maximum number of tables that can be found? 9 tables. 4 for the entities and 5 for the relationships. Now, how to optimize the number of tables? Again, same steps. First thing is that we'll identify the different entities that are existing. So this is the entity R1, then R2, then R3, then R4, and then R5. Next is after identifying the relationships. Next thing is to identify the types of relationships. Here I have M to 1. Here it is M is to M. Okay, this may not be clear. Okay, M is to M. Then I have M is to 1. Here it is M is M to 1. And here it is M to 1. So what we do, we try to club a relationship towards the entity which shares with the many type of relationship. So R1 will be clubbed with B, R5 will be clubbed with B, and R4 will be clubbed with B. So I'll have B, R1, R4, and R5. So this will form like B1, comma B2. Then I have A1, comma D1, comma C. So this is, so we have clubbed R1, R5, and R4. Now R2 cannot be clubbed with anything because it is between an M and M. So it cannot be clubbed with anything. So R2 will be separate. Then A will also be separate since it cannot be clubbed with anything else. C and R3 can be clubbed. R3 can be clubbed with C. So C R3. And finally, what else is left? R1 is over, R4 is over, R5 is over, R2 is over, R3 is over, A is over, B is over, C is over, left over is D. Thus, I need only 5 tables. So this is how we can solve problems on ER diagrams, conversion into tables with optimum number of tables.